Hey guys, so you can probably see behind me, obviously the ocean and stuff, but there's also this nice dry creek bed that runs all the way down. And instead of just setting out a bunch of path lights along it that are going to shine down, which is another really good way to do it also, what we're going to be using is we're actually going to be using our wash lights. Because it's a dry creek bed, we're actually going to have the lights down in the bed, kind of just glazing the bottom and the rocks and all the little stone features. So it's just a different way to light a creek bed. Again, path lights would be a good way to do this if you kind of stagger them around the creek. I just like doing something a little different, so that's the other thing we're going to use this light for. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I'm really excited about our new try it before you buy it offer. So many of you guys have been asking what's the difference between a premium quality landscape light and all the crap that you're going to find online. Well, now you get a chance to feel it. You can go on our website for a limited time and you can order one FX Luminaire LED uplight that's found in most of our premium quality kits. We're going to send it to you for free shipping. You buy it at a discounted rate and keep it for 14 days. And if you don't love it, you send it back to us and you get a full refund. If you do, you keep it and you get it at that discounted rate. And a little trick, you can even go around your property and go see how it's going to look before you decide to buy an entire kit, simply by taking a 9-volt battery, taking the 2 wires from your fixture, attaching them to the terminals, and then you can actually go start lighting some stuff up and see how that's going to look and see how this lights feel. So if you have any questions, email me at cal@lightingdoctor.ca.